In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy tickets in OZ Lotteries. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ozlotteries.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of OZ Lotteries. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find this option for buy tickets. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to buy the OZ Lotteries tickets over here. You'll be able to find various options. You can see over here you'll be able to find the options for 2 tickets, 10 tickets, 15 tickets and 25 tickets. Click on the option of your choice. Now what you have to do is click on this option add to cart that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your tickets has been added to the cart. Now click on this option go to cart that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to view your cart. You'll be able to check out from this interface. What you have to do is simply click on this option check out that you can see on the screen. Now if you're not logged into your account, you'll be prompted to log into your account. So make sure you're logged into your account. After you do that, you'll have to select the payment method. You'll be able to see the payment methods over here. You can see the options like GPay, credit or debit card, PayPal. Simply click on the payment method that you prefer. Here I'm just going to click on this option credit or debit card. Now once you do that, what you have to do is provide the card details over here. First of all, enter the card holder's name. Now enter the card number over here. Make sure to enter the correct card number. Now after you do that, what you have to do is enter the expiry date and CVC over here. After that, click on this option pay that you can see on the screen. You'll be able to see the total over here. That means you'll have to pay this amount in order to buy those tickets. After the payment is done and transaction is successful, those tickets will be yours. So like this, you'll be able to buy the ticket. So that is how you buy tickets in OZ Lotteries. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.